Yes, good day to you guys. And in this vlog, we will talk about the importance of self-mastery and how we conduct seminars. By the way, my name is MJ Lopez and welcome to another vlog. Let's go! Let's go! And guys, it's 5:59 a.m. and we are on our way to Power Talks by MJ Lopez Mandaluyong. So, dun tayo nagsaseminar most of the time, especially Power Talks, self-mastery events, briefing ng lead and all that. Now, we are really early because we have what we call preparation time. We have to prime our day to win. So we have staff in and staff check. So the staffing team or our support team will actually prepare the whole place. We will prepare the energy. We will make sure that everyone in our team is intentional in serving and helping people. Kaya lagi talaga tayong maaga. Alright? So ngayon medyo na traffic tayo sa lugar na parang kasing traffic ng EDSA, no? But anyway, super happy and grateful right now because we get to serve people. Later on, we will update you more in how we prepare for the event, but self-mastery is really, really powerful and I will share that with you later. See you guys. Okay guys, we are now here in Mandaluyong. It's 7:13 a.m. and we will prepare na, no? So around 7:30 we will do the staff check. So the media team is preparing for the cameras kasi we also have a live streaming today. And this is how we do immersive seminars. Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo yung mga equipments and all that, how we prepare. But for now, settle down muna tayo. Especially galing tayo sa biyahe. So see you later guys. I wanna echo on that, no? So, just show up kasi kagabi na bigla ako kasi it's not expected. Kasi parang nagche-check ako ng mga message request. Sabihin ko na lang, you can enroll. Sabi ko, sir, gusto ko po magpa-mentor. Kasi ang daming ganun eh. Tapos biglang libre pala gusto. Yung alam mo yun, sabi ko, tapos sinandan ko agad ng link rekta. Like, rekta. Hi ma'am, ganito po. If you want, you can enroll here. Tapos nag-message agad siya ng ayoko ng sabi ko parang ayoko ng success blueprint. Gusto ko yung platinum, nakita ko sa vlog mo. Kasi may platinum. Ano ba yung platinum, sir? Kasi parang ayoko naman yung blueprint. Gusto ko platinum. Sabi ko, ha? So yun yung kaya nang nagsaset up tayo ng live, natagalan ako kasi nagbo-voice message na ako. Ay ma'am, ganito po yan. Ito yung mga offers. Nililay down ko mga 59 seconds lang. Tapos sabi niya, umiiyak na. Sir, thank you kasi naglaan ka sa akin ng time, magde-deposit na po ako. Ha? Parang ang gaan ng pagkaka-close. So, the lesson for me is all about the least effort means less resistance. No? Okay, yung nagagawa nila, Jeff, nagiging space ko siya to focus on my craft. Kasi closer talaga ako eh. To focus on my craft, to focus on doing what I do, showing up. Kasi I've been meeting multi-millionaires, billionaires ngayon. Nag-create pa ako ng connections eh. Kumbaga, ginagamit ko na yung powers ko na dati wala akong paki eh. Ngayon, sir, connect mo ako kay ganito. Yung kinakapalan ko na mukha ko. Kasi I want that energy now. I want that space now. So yun yung akin. Yung space ng office ngayon maganda kasi walang resistance. Pag may trabaho, G lang. So yun yung journey namin simula nung nag-start yung staffing team. Wala tayong computan. Kasi maraming levels ng computan eh. Number 1, partnership, minsan pag feeling mo hindi nag-reciprocate yung energy mo, nagko-compute ka na eh. Matututo ang mag-compute. Parang, tagal ko nang tumutulong, ang tagal ko ng gentleman, ang tagal ko ng pinagluluto ka, whatever. Bakit pag ako yung hindi okay, parang ang labo, ang gulo. No? That's 1. So, relationships. Number 2, sa pera, parang naiintindihan natin na gusto nating makatipid minsan, gusto nating to save money at some point, pero sometimes, yung sobrang ganon na parang, hindi, deserve nung tao yun eh. Bakit ka mag-hold back? Hindi ka kikita sa pagtitipid Hindi ka kikita sa holding back ng pagbibigay sa mga tao. Walang income doon eh. So relationships, that's around love, that's the heart. The mind is like the mindset mo sa pera, and more importantly, the body. So yung pag-serve mo, is like, hindi natin kinukompute yung trabahong ginagawa para walang resistance. Ang dami ko na natrabaho, wala pa. Yun nga yun eh, ang dami mo ng trabaho, ayan na. Kaya lang the moment na, kung kailan, parang you don't give up 5 minutes before the miracle, sabi ni Napoleon Hill, no? Kasi minsan, ayan na parating na kasi nag-serve ka na, ginawa mo na, tapos tinulak mo pa palayo kasi, ba't wala pa? Parang yung blessing, ayan na ako eh. O questionin mo pa, parang ganon. I want you to act as if we guys are already there, no? Billionaires, millionaires na nandito tayo nagsaserve sa mga tao. Kasi hindi pwede na pag may nakarinig tayong wins, naiingit tayo. Bakit sila ganon? Hindi ganon. It's more on, panalo sila, I'm part of it. I'm serving these people. Imagine I'm serving millionaires, lawyers, multi-millionaires in this space. Hindi siya judgment, hindi siya nanggagaling sa maling emotion. So ayan guys, quick update. It's 7... Official time? 7:50 guys. It's 7:50 and nagrelo ka pa, no? It's 7:50 and we are prepared. We are here to serve these students right here. And this is how we do self-mastery, guys. No? It's not just us sharing value. It's not just me on stage. You know, it's more on the whole energy, the whole culture that the team here is also building self-mastery. Kasi very important na kaya mong i-handle yung sarili mo at kaya mong mag-decide ng tama. Because if you can master yourself, you can master everything. So we are receiving the blessings, the abundance, the love, appreciation in God's name. Yes! Thank you guys. And guys, it's 12:18 p.m. So kakatapos lang ng first part, nasa around 3 hours straight tayo dire-diretso. And we'll send them off for a lunch break. The team will also have their lunch. Ako, kakain ako itlog lang muna so that I can sustain my energy for the whole day. So we talked about human structure, we talked about priming, and we talked about bringing people to the right state. Because it's really important that you are in the right state. Especially if you want to achieve something, if you want to do something, if you want to become more and do more. Alright, so we will update you later on, but for now, I'm gonna take a short break, drink some coffee, hydrate myself, and more importantly, prepare for the next part. So, see you later. So yan guys, quick update. It's 4:19 p.m. Second break na, and we will do our best to create value within the time frame. But I think mag-overtime tayo ng konti. We'll see. So we talked about first part, human needs, now belief systems. We talked about what shapes our beliefs, ano yung mga pattern of meaning, pattern of languages na dala-dala nila lagi. Main reason why hindi nila makuha yung mga goals nila. So, we took a short break mainly because medyo inaantok na yung mga guests natin. So, we will bring the energy up later on so that we can absorb more knowledge and learnings. For now, pahinga muna tayo ng konti and I'm gonna see you guys later. So, ayan guys, it's 6:30 p.m. right now and kakatapos lang ng second part. So, third part na tayo guys, break time lang tayo na mabilis, and later on we will talk about the 7 master steps, okay? So we talked about the state, we talked about the beliefs, we talked about the human needs, and we talked about using the triads as a formula for decision making. That's how powerful self-mastery is. But for now guys, pahinga lang tayo ng konti. See you later. Let's go. Yes, good day to you guys. It's 9:15 p.m. Kakatapos na ng self-mastery. So,
pictorial ngayon, magpapapicture sila. So happy and grateful because we are able to create massive results. And let's see if we can upload some of the shares and testimonials in our page. So guys, kaway naman kayo, guys. So we are vlogging right now, guys. Can you, kaway naman. Hello. So these are the audience that we have, CEOs, leaders in the industry, and I'm super proud to be here. And soon, guys, makikita nyo nasa likod ko, lahat yan magiging multi-millionaire. So for now, we will just do the photo shoot. Thank you.
Pag nandito ka as a student serving, nakikita mo yung small decisions. Teka, how do we spend money here and spend money there? Attitude natin sa pera sa ganito. Bumabalik yung individuality mo, which is really important in terms of leadership. Kasi pag founder identity ka, ito, focus mo si ganito, si ganito, si ganyan. Pag founder identity ka, it's external pa rin. When you are here, you can practice your individuality as a person. And then lumalabas yung highest essence mo, true essence mo, na ito pala ako, mapagmahal ako. It's like, how do you even started the relationship with Jenna in the first place? Nagigets mo ako? Kasi malamang sa malamang, yan yung ikaw dati na nagsisimula kayo eh. Na loving, laging nagbibigay and all that. And then, you have to find that tipping point. Bakit ako nagbago? Saan ako nagbago? And then, nakuha ko naman yung goals ko eh. Nag-top 1 naman ako, nakakotse naman ako. Pero bakit laging kulang? Because something has to change in terms of your personal decisions around money. That's the only thing that you have to like. For me, it's just happy money. It happened to me before. No? Relate ako kasi meron ako naging moment na mapagbigay ako, pero makompute din ako. Na parang binigay ko to, pinasweldo ko to, tapos binigyan ko ng bonus. Ito yung ina-expect kong output. Mastos ako eh. Ngayon, baliktad na, it's like, deserved niya to. So ito, actually, gusto ko pa nga magbigay eh. So parang hahataw pa ako, sure ako may dadating pa, kasi deserve ng mga tao. So it's a different approach, and you just feel it in your heart. Basta mag-serve tayo sa mga tao, mag-serve ka sa team mo, nakikita ko yumayaman kayo, okay ako. Mission accomplished ako. Gets tayo. Baka kasi walang closure sa inyo to eh. Nagigets mo? Kasi like, kalimutan mo muna yung platinum. Mag-serve kayo, tutukan nyo yung team nyo, saan nyo siya i-re-evaluate. Basta, you are in my space now, you are staffing team. You don't carry Team Martinez now, you carry staffing team. You fully immerse, staffing team ako. Ngayon. Saan dami natin natatapos? Sobrang ang lala ng productivity rate. It's like, shit. Kaya lagi ko sinachat sa Jeff, panalo to. Nangyayi-remind ko sa Jeff, panalo ka ha, panalo tayo. Jeff, panalo. You know, it's a win. It's a win. Ito yung tatahakin natin, Jeff, international. Dati mo pa sinasabi yan, tagusin natin yan. That's it. Yan yung focus ko, wala akong international tayo. Matatagos natin yan. Deserve natin eh. And we all deserve that. I believe that. What we did today is transformational. What we did today is greatness. What we did today is excellence. So if you need evidence of what excellence looks like, ito yun. If you want evidence of what responsible looks like, ito yun. What mindfulness looks like, ito yun. What love feels like, ito yun. What abundance feels like, ito yun. Just duplicate this. Are you with me still? Okay ba tayo, guys? So, okay. So, again, guys, good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Grabe guys, it's 1:08 a.m. here in Laguna right now. I'm super happy and grateful because I had the opportunity to serve people, to transform the lives of people, to create significance to the lives of people. Nakita nyo naman yun kanina guys, and you have to understand that we started really early, right? When we do power talks, mastermind sessions, and success blueprint, ultimate mastery, when we do self-mastery events like this, we are always 2 hours early so that we can prepare the space, we can prepare the venue, because we want to ensure that we are serving you, we are serving people. And then after the event, we will review everything, you know? We will take notes of the things that we can improve, and more importantly, the wins that we have, because I have to acknowledge my staffing team for serving with me. Grabe guys, it's just amazing. And I would love to serve you as well. So for now, we have to go. We have a lot of work because we are preparing for the SB Lead 01, guys. So for now, I have to go. And if you like vlogs like this, guys, please comment, please share, please engage with us so that we know if you love contents like this. So for now, guys, this is the end of the vlog. And always remember that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez. And see you soon. Bye, guys. Let's go.